Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another one of my tutorials. This will be a reciprocal gradient using a couple colors from the OPI Infinite Shine Iceland collection. I will be doing some sponging over some vinyls also. So these are the tools that you will need to have. To start, you want to apply the primer onto your nail and then add 2 coats of this Isn't Greenland and top it off with the Infinite Shine top coat. While it is drying, apply the Latex Tactical Shield around your finger. Now you need to grab your makeup sponge and paint half of it the green and half of it the brown. And what you're going to do is, with the brown on bottom, green on top, you want to start sponging it onto your nail. You may need to reapply polish onto the sponge, and if you notice it's starting to stick onto your nail, get a new sponge or you will have residue left over onto your nail. Little pieces of the sponge will stick to your nail. Now you need to remove the Latex Tactical Shield very slowly with your tweezers. Then go back and clean up any remaining polish. Then you will add the ProStay top coat and let that dry completely. For the final step, you need to reapply the Latex Tactical Shield. We will be sponging on top of vinyls, and you still don't want to get all the extra polish on your nails or on your finger. So reapply the Latex Tactical Shield, get your vinyl, and lay it directly on top of your nail. And make sure you seal in all the edges so the nail polish does not get under the vinyl and mess up your design. Now that your vinyl's in place, you can start sponging. You want to get your sponge and apply half brown and half green like you did before, but this time when you sponge, we're going to sponge with brown on top and the green on the bottom, opposite of how you sponged beforehand. And just continuously sponge until you get your desired color you're looking for. And make sure to remove your vinyl or stencil immediately. Now that you have finished that part, remove your stencil immediately. Then remove the Latex Tactical Shield and clean up any remaining polish. And repeat this step for the rest of your nails, doing it the exact same way. Now all you have to do is clean up, clean the cuticles, make it look all pretty, apply your Infinite Shine ProStay top coat, and you are all done. I will put the names of everything that I used here, links and all that in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.